Today we'll be showing you how to assemble the GAMMA BALLHOPPER High Rise 75. The first thing we have is this lid, and you're going to want to assemble it so that it opens with the label in front. And you see that it's got these two little latches. You're going to put those on and then you're going to pull towards you. So you'll hear it snap in place. Then it will close and you can see the lid is on. Here's another view of the lid. You can see it's snapped on. And we'll lift up and then it will close. Next we'll be installing the legs. And there's two tubes on each side. So you'll insert the legs into the tubes. You'll want this bend to be flat against the basket. Okay, so I've got one side in. I think it's a little bit easier to do when it's laying down. Okay, so you can see we have one side in. Now we've just got to get the other side in. So mine is, I'm having to pull the tube out a little bit and then sliding the leg in. The tube up a little bit. So you can see I got the leg in a little bit and then you just slide it in. As you can see, we have the leg in. Now we will go ahead and do that to the other side. We will put the other leg into this tube. So pulling the tube out a little bit and then sliding the leg in. So we assembled the basket. You can stand it up with the legs like this, or you can use the basket like this, hold it with these handles, and pick up the tennis ball. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you will subscribe.